Hello, my name is Ryan Hughes and I'm Head of Active Portfolios here at AJ Bell. I'm here to talk to you today about one of our favourite funds, the Threadneedle UK Equity Income Fund. Threadneedle UK Equity Income is an actively managed UK equity fund that looks to deliver income and potential capital growth over the long term. Its target is providing an income yield higher than the FTSE All-Share Index over rolling 3-year periods. Columbia Threadneedle Investments is owned by Ameriprise Financial, which was previously part of American Express and can trace its history back over 100 years. Ameriprise purchased Columbia Threadneedle in 2009 and it's now the global asset management business of the firm. The fund is managed by Richard Cole, who was appointed sole manager in 2016, having been a co-manager on the fund since joining the firm in 2010. Cole was previously a fund manager at Aviva Investors and since joining Threadneedle has become head of UK equities. Cole is supported by an experienced team of fund managers and sector analysts to look for the best long-term opportunities. The investment process looks to identify undervalued companies over the long term. It focuses on gaining a detailed understanding of a company's business model, growth opportunities, financial strength and management capability. Fundamental to this analysis is an inherent belief that investors can be too focused on short-term events and miss the opportunity to access companies with great long-term potential. Each stock is rated on a conviction basis by the analysts, with a price target set for 2 or 3 years in the future. The investment team is aware of its own limitations and as such doesn't try and predict the wider macroeconomy. Instead, they prefer to analyse companies based on the long range of outcomes to understand how the company should perform in different environments. While this analysis is done at a team level, portfolio construction and risk management responsibility sits firmly with Cole, so it's always clear who is responsible for performance. The portfolio is constructed in a reasonably diverse manner with between 45 to 60 positions and a typical focus towards larger companies. As the manager takes a long-term view, turnover in the portfolio can be low, and while positions away from the index can be taken, this is limited to 5% maximum at a stock level and 11% at a sector level. In our opinion, the fund manager is very experienced in investing in UK equities and has a clear understanding of the investment process and philosophy which has been tested over a long period of time. Importantly, the manager is prepared to be patient and invest for the long term, avoiding short-term distractions in the market. On the favourite funds page of our website, you can find a simple one-page AJ Bell report for each fund, including this one. It will give you the key information about the fund as well as our verdict on it. We hope that this short video helps you with your investment research and makes it easier to choose investments that are right for you. The AJ Bell Favourite Funds list has been designed for people who like to choose their own investments, and you should do your own research to ensure that any fund you select is appropriate for your objectives, financial circumstances and attitude to risk. The Favourite Fund list isn't a personal recommendation. If you're unsure about any of this, please speak to a financial advisor. Thank you very much for watching.